Hello. Today we're going to show you how to use RPA, remote robotic remote or automation process, right? Using UiPath, and we're going to extract from this particular website, okay, which is the top secondary school website, and we're going to click on the button to get the latest cutoff point and save it into a flat file. So essentially, that's what we're going to do, and we're going to start out with a UiPath Studio community, and we're going to start with a click on the new project, and we can name it any name. Okay, let's say we do a data extract. Okay, and we just click create. Okay, so it's creating some workspace and adding some dependencies. And you can see over here, this is the kind of a development tools environment, okay, where it has a project and the activities where you add in all the necessary libraries. Okay, so this is a very good tools for people who don't like programming, and basically a lot of the programming libraries, APIs that's actually available. So you just have to focus on creating the process flow. Okay, we're going to start off with just opening up a main workflow. Okay, so this is the main workflow, and this is the activities. So this is the main workflow. We're going to create the flow, computer flow, right? So we're going to start out with use browsers, use application browsers. So we're going to open up a browsers. Okay, put it here. Okay, just simply drag and drop. And then here you're supposed to indicate the application you want to automate. And since we're going to use Chrome browsers, okay, so just make sure we have our Chrome browser ready so that we can click on it. So let's just switch over to the, okay, just wait. Okay, so we just have to switch over and indicate the application. Okay, which is this? So we just have to click on this browser. Okay, so once you select the browser, okay, you'll come up with the path that's done up for you. So voila, it's pretty straightforward. Next, we need to click on the button to get into. So we need to just click on. Okay, we just click on. Okay, so here also indicated the element on the screen. So we're going to try to click on to this read button over here, right? So that we can open up the full documents. So we're going to just switch over to this, indicate on the element, and wait for it to comes up, and you just have to click on this read full articles so that you can click on to the next page, right? So waiting it for it to cache it. And I just switch. Okay, so you can see this has been reflected over here, right? So let me just switch over to the other, right? And click on. So what happens if you click on that button? It's supposed to give you a table of cutoff points. Okay, so you can see right at the top is actually Hwa Chong Institute. We're going to extract these data tables. So let's switch over to the extract data. Okay, so we're going to use wait, I mean extract. So you just have to click on, make sure you're at the activity, right? So click extract table of data, and we just put it underneath. Okay, so everything is just simply automate. Marvelous. And here we need just to click on the objects that we want to click. So where is it that we want to drag? We have to click on this, right? And we're going to indicate this is the table, right? So once you click on this, wait for a while for it to load up a wizard. Okay, select the data. This is a wizard table. So select the data, click on this. So waiting for it to hover across the data that we want to extract. So wait for a few seconds. So it's still processing the website. And we just simply hang over. Okay, you can click on the first one, okay, to extract. We would wait for it to process. Okay. Okay, collecting the target informations. So you gotta be patient a little bit. Okay, would you like to extract all the columns from the data? Well, just table, yes, just say yes. You might be able to preview it later on. So now it's collecting the table of informations. Right, so it detects there's actually 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are about 152 rows. Okay, you can actually click on the preview to see whether the information has been extracted. Well, very good, it's extracted, and you can close it, and you can just save and close. There's no other data to collect from the multiple pages, just leave it as no, and save and close. Okay, and there you have, you'll be able to see this coming out, and now it's a extract to where. So we need to indicate to which table. So we can just use, we can create a variable. So set variable, create variables, and we say DT, like for example, data table, just give it another, okay, yeah. Okay, so we created one. In fact, you can check on the variable here, DT has been created. Okay, so very good. And the next things that we need to do is we need to move on is to write to the CSV file. So we're going to use the activities. So what libraries can help me do this writing? So instead of having to write your own program, now you get the libraries that have somebody has written on how to write the tables into a CSV file. So we're going to drag this and put it over here. Okay, you can see these are basically the flows that we have gone through, right from opening the browser using the Edge, right? And by the way, let me just double confirm. Okay, so you can click on this to look at the properties. Okay, the properties say use Edge or okay, anyway, it say use Edge browser. So everything is automated. So now write tables. So what tables? And since just now we indicated, we can use back the variables that we have, which is the click on this and click on the variable DT that we have created, right? And where do we write to? So they remember, put a double quote, and you can just indicate which CSV file you want to. So let's say cc.csv. Okay, you can give it any name and just give it, and you can exclude the header information, and voila. And in such a split second, we have more or less finished everything. And let's just check it out. Sorry, maybe we should cancel first. Sorry. So I think it's always good to close this Chrome browser first so that you can run it nicely and you can run the file. Let's just try running the file. So you have to compile, so do the initial compilations and just be patient and we'll see the actions in play. And you can see automatically the Chrome browser has been opened up. Right, and just give it a couple of seconds, okay, and you should try to click on this read file articles. We just hope that it can, and once it be able to extract, click on the full content, you'll be able to read out the data and extract it. So you can see it has got click, right? You notice it clicked and now the file has been opened up. So it has finished. Okay, you can see the execution has ended. And let's just check out the cc.csv file. Okay, we just have to switch over to our file folder. And let's just check where did we keep it. I think it's over here, data extract, and oh no, it's a DW extract. This was the latest, and you can see the CCS which is created. And there you have got a very nice Excel CS3 file that's been created. Well, that's about all that we have. Isn't it easy?